I'd like to introduce you to the building configuration page. There are a few different items we need to look at. Initially, I want to show you how to change items within the build. Standard items, we're going to look at windows and doors to start with. They're underneath your superstructure. These are the windows and doors on the exterior of the building. Let's go to windows and doors and view the section. We can see currently the price is $18,335, and we want to change, so we click on the change button. Now we have a number of filters going through the site depending on what product you're working on. For Windows we have a filter on the material type. Let's just look at UPVC, and that reduces the amount of windows we have to look at. There is a further filter here, efficient, passive and standard. You can see on the page now we have 9 different windows that we can choose from. We could filter at the top, or we can just select the items we want to get priced. So well, let's get prices for all the different windows and see where we stand. Okay, select them all and click get prices, and now we can see the different prices shown on this side. Okay, so I'm going to select these efficient windows here. Now we can see our price has changed to $16,789. If we go back to our configuration page now, we can have a look at how we're going to configure coins. So let's look at how we're going to change our coins. Coins are part of the superstructure. Solid coins. Currently we have no coins chosen for the house. We can change coins globally or individually. Let's change them globally initially and decide we're going to have limestone coins, and we'll pick these chamfered ones. We'll look at the price of 4 different ones and get prices, and we'll select limestone without a chamfer, 3 brick high. This price $13.02 plus tax. Now let's have a look at the PDF, and you can see that there are each corner of the house is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we decide this is the front of the house and we only want coins on Q1, Q6 and Q5, only at the front of the house. Okay, that PDF is accessed there. So now we're going to change individually, and we're going to say currently we have we want coins on 1, 5 and 6, so let's just take 2, 3 and 4, and we're going to change those to none. And now filter down here, we click on none, and we can see now that we're paying $720 plus tax. And we can put a note to the builder as well saying coins only on front of house, and save that, and then return to our configuration page. You'll see under a lot of products you can choose your preferred supplier. This list lists all of the suppliers of that particular product throughout the country. So if there is a particular supplier that you want to deal with, you can select them this way. You may be better off leaving this blank so that your builder can shop around for you and get the best price for your product. You should also note that you cannot pick a preferred supplier for all options. Let's look for instance under preliminaries. Strip foundation, for instance, there's no option to choose a specific supplier here. So let's see how we can set up a PC sum for an item. Let's take a look at the kitchen, which is an obvious choice for PC sum. It's under internal joinery, and we've got a fine fitted kitchen here. Currently there's no price in for it. To put in a price for a PC sum price for your kitchen, you click on change. You select PC sum here and click get prices. Select PC sum again, and we put in the price for your PC sum, so let's put in 8,000 and submit, and that's included in your price now. You can again include notes for your builder if you wish at this stage. There are a number of items which you will have to ask your builder to quantify and cost. A good example of this would be, for instance, your access road. Let's have a look here. We have a tick box here, builder to quantify and cost. If you click on that, the builder then knows that he or she has to go and quantify and cost that for you. Once that's done, you can go back and return to the configuration page.